Grand Rising, everybody. I'm over here and Grand Rising from y'all favorite baby. Say good morning, everybody. So I'm gonna watch this reading with my mommy. Okay, y'all. Um, damn, on the floor and I didn't even realize it. Creatures don't touch nothing, okay? We'll be just fine. And did this one come out yesterday? Okay. Says I knew you were the one when I met you. Of course they knew. They knew you was the one. This is some of y'all soul twin, okay? Y'all, somebody suffering this morning. I'm gonna be honest, and I don't like to put this energy out here, but somebody's going through something to the fact where they might be going to jail, but you don't know it. And losing you right now is making them not want to be alive, okay? And at that point, we got to stop and pray. It's not that serious, okay? I'm not saying we're not worth a life, but we're not worth a life. Ain't nobody worth taking your own self up out of here over. But they have done so much and they've kept so much to themselves. They're like, damn, I'm about to go to jail. I'm about to face these charges. Is something fine? Okay, see you, baby. Something financial, and my baby quit me right now. I can't do this no more. The thoughts of you and them, even if y'all are not together, was their sanity, was their last saving grace. But you know what? You can only feel sorry for a person, but up to some point. We're all adults on here. They gotta open up and talk to you. But the thing about it now is you are like 90% out the door. Yeah, you still have a little bit of feelings for this person, but it's something about right now, this time period. You just like I can't do it with you no more. All right. I heard the name Jeffrey, Jeffrey, of the soul. And I shuffled it and I put it in three piles. So I'm just gonna pull about, I don't know, until I stop. It could be three, could be six, could be nine, could be two. But these are messages from your person who is suffering this morning. They can, and somebody thinks you have a pretty face. This is for us ladies. She's so pretty. She is so pretty. Damn. I can't let nobody else have my pretty baby. Sir, you handed my collective over to somebody else. Because you wouldn't get up off your ego, your pride, and all that damn overthinking. People don't be bothered with you unless they want to. My collective could have picked anybody, but they chose you. Number one, they chose you. Matter of fact, number one, God put y'all together, and they decided to go with you. And you fumbled them the heaviest. But you held on to that karmic. That's the part I don't like, so you stay with them. First message is, y'all, I had a wonderful ophthalmology appointment yesterday. Thank God Queen Char's eyes are just fine. I do need eyeglasses for distance for driving, but other than that, he's like, wow, those retinas are plastered down, girl. Good job, good job. He said, how's your sugar? I said, what sugar? He fell out laughing. I don't play with that. You ain't. I know too many people died from diabetes related complications. I told mine goodbye. And the first message they says, I I am distracting myself to avoid thinking of you. I absolutely agree. This person is doing everything they can not to think about you. I heard Girl Scouts. Somebody has a daughter in Girl Scouts, and if they do, she's a brownie. I heard brownie this morning. Little baby girl's a brownie. I was a brownie in Girl Scouts. Yeah, my little chubby butt was a little brownie back in the day, but this person's doing everything they can to avoid, I heard Sagittarius, to avoid thinking about you because they love you. I mean, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and say some of these people are in love with you, and you're so phenomenal until they can't believe they got you, and they think it's a trick. They can't, no, I know. Queen Shark Collective don't love me that much. I got this past. I might be going to jail. I used to be a player. I used to be a thought, a hoochie. What they see in me? All that overthinking. My eyes are kind of burning from all that, all those tests I took yesterday, but I'm gonna make it through the day. Woo. Alrighty. I cannot listen to your voice. It affects my soul. Okay, so they're avoiding thinking about you. They're distracting themselves, and old voicemail messages haunts them. Because you used to leave this person voicemail messages. Good morning, baby. I love you. Have a wonderful day. Hi, darling. What you want for dinner? Listening to your voice and knowing they may never hear your voice again calling them messes them up. Y'all don't know how serious this is. This person may start stalking you. Not in a bad way. Don't. It's not one of them fatal attraction things. But they may start stalking you just to see a glimpse of your face. And the thought of you with somebody else got them effed up. Okay? Card number. That's my laundry out the dryer. Don't worry about that. I'm about to fold them 4 little pieces up and put them in my dresser drawer. And this one says, I am not sure I can meet your expectations. Yep. What did I just say? They don't think they deserve you. I just told y'all that. I don't think I can meet your expectations. Wow. Oh man, the pressure is too much for me. I just told you all, my lovely collective, that this person got a past. They are in some legal trouble. They're in some child support trouble. They may have some embezzlement. I mean, something going on. And here you are, this glowing example of what the hell you should be doing with your life. Because like I said, y'all got it going on. Y'all got houses, good credit, nice apartments, a little bit of change in the bank. You go to work every day. You don't smoke. You don't drink. You don't sleep around. And they've done the opposite. And they don't think that they can come up out of the muck and mire and cesspool to meet your expectations. But they're in love with you. They're in love with you. It amazes me when my twin tells me things I didn't even know he felt about me. He said, you just an inspiration to so many people, and you are so amazing, and I wish I had met your mom before she passed away so I could tell her what an amazing woman she met. But right when him and I met, COVID kicked in, and the nursing home, they stopped visiting. But it shocks me how people stand back and admire you. And that's a shock to me because I'm my own worst critic. There's nothing, I mean, I give myself a break sometimes, but I got to dig down deep because I'm always going for the next level. Okay? So I'm going to go bam, bam, bam. I'm going to start over here. I hope y'all doing good this morning. I keep hearing Julius. Jules, Julius, Julius. All right, somebody could be from Panama, Panamanian. Alrighty, I feel empty and hollow inside. I told you, I feel empty and hollow inside. I can't open up right now. Y'all, when I tell you this person is messed up, part of me feels sorry for them. I'm not going to lie. Y'all know Queen Shar is an empath. But Queen Shar also know that when God gives you a gift, you can't keep fumbling it. You may fumble it once or twice because you don't know what to do with it. But you can't keep fumbling it, especially to keep a karmic comfortable. You can't do that. Who is it going to be, me or her? Who is it going to be, him or me? Okay, you want to work it out with him? Leave me alone. And all these family men pretending to be single, acting single, if they can't take you out in public, if they act like they don't know who the hell you are, leave them alone. I don't care how much you love them. They're hiding you because they got somebody else. I'm y'all big sister from another mister. Believe me, y'all, I've been through it. And my heart been broken so many times. I'm telling you this from experience. I'm not no old tough hood rat, kick somebody's ass. I'm not that kind of person. I'm the most sweetest cream puff, give you the shirt off of my back. But baby, when I tell you I got more holes in my back for men and women, I'm talking to y'all like you right here in this room with me, and you my little brother or little sister. Or hell, you could be older than me. I'm telling you this from advice. So please listen to me. I ain't gonna tell you nothing wrong. I'll do a couple of more. Somebody's last name is Franklin. Or maybe the first name is Franklin. I heard Franklin. Like the beautiful late Aretha. Alrighty. I feel cold and detached from this connection. This is us. Bam! This is us. This is our card. I feel cold and detached from this connection. I can't feel emotions right now. Didn't I tell you earlier when I started this reading, some of y'all are 90% out the door? Bam! This card confirms it. You have like literally a drop of giving a damn left for this connection, and they can feel it. That's why they so messed up, because they messed up too many times. Let me hurry up. I don't want to get cut off, and let me take my button here and make my little skinny lunch for work. Y'all know what I love, and I ate it by itself. I love cream spinach. I know it's sending you to the bathroom, but you need that. You need that. I made 2 pieces of salmon last night in the pan, and before that I heated up. I've had this green giant, the little individual serving of cream spinach in the freezer forever. Baby, I took that thing out before I went to the eye doctor. And when I got home, I microwaved it for 5 minutes. I ate that standing up before I could get to my little count. I love cream spinach. I love string beans. I eat them by themselves. I love my vegetables. Okay? And this one says, I cannot give you what you want or deserve right now. I'm sorry. Right now just came up. I heard right now. Doesn't mean that's in the future. Doesn't mean that's not going to be that way in the future. Okay, hold on. Let me read it back again. I cannot give you what you want or deserve. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is a person who's stuck in a family situation, and I'll be damned if this ain't your soulmate. But they can't. They're so damn worried about this karmic and the karmic's family, what they're going to think, what they're going to say. So let them go. Let them go. Don't be happy Thanksgiving text message. You stand still. You stand firm. If they don't reach out to you, Happy New Year and have a nice life. Let them come to you first. But some of them are telling you, I can't make a move. I'm going to do one more roll cross and then I'm going to go, y'all. That's my washing machine in the background. I got my bathroom rug in there washing. You know, the one thing I love about living alone, the one thing is that I can do what I want to do when I want to. If I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and I want to go in the living room with Arthur and look at TV and laugh, ha ha, he he, I don't have to worry about waking nobody up. And when I want to do my readings in the morning, I don't have to worry about waking nobody up. Light my incense and have a happy. Alrighty. I depend on you too much to let you go. You know what, Charmaine? You a badass. Hold on. Let me finish reading this. I have codependent issues. Y'all, before you call the TV producers today, didn't I say that you are this person's sanity right now? They don't tell you, but the wonderful thoughts of you is what's keeping this person from jumping off the damn building. The good times you shared, the memories, the thought of even getting back with you is keeping them glued together. Right now, they're unglued. Ladies, y'all know back in the day we used to wear hair weaves and we would use that black sticky glue and that shit take your hair out. They unglued. Their wig is coming off. It's not funny. They'll know next time. They'll know next time if they make it. They'll know next time how to treat. They'll never get another you, but the next person they meet, they'll know how to treat them. I heard dog. That could be, well, they could be a dog or you could have a dog. I see a white and a black dog. Or a black and white dog. I see one black dog. I see one white dog. It could be a poodle. Could be a German shepherd. Not brown. I see one black, one white, and a black and white dog with black and white fur. I just heard Alice. All right. What is this? I don't understand. You know what? I'm done. Y'all have a nice mother daggone day. I'm done. Charmaine, y'all, what did I say? I'm sorry to get emotional, but when I tell you I amazed myself, didn't I say, okay, let me read it. Let me calm down. I don't understand what you see in me. I don't feel attractive. Before I wrap this up, let me pat myself on the mother-loving back. Didn't I say this person don't feel like they can measure up to you? Queen Shar got this, they got that. Oh, well, I said myself. Okay, oh, hey, I do. Queen Shar's Collective has this, that going on, and what do they see in me? And here they go right here. I don't understand what you see in me. Oh my God, I don't feel attractive. Some of them have dental issues. They could have halitosis. They don't take good care of their teeth. They could have a pot belly. Shit, everybody got a little jelly belly, unless you're really thin. And you don't care about that. You love them for who they are. Some of them could use a walker. Some of them could use a cane. You overlooked all of that stupid stuff. You love them for who they are, and they got up in their head, I know somebody as fine as Queen Shar Collective don't love me. So they sabotage the relationship. Y'all on that, I'm getting ready to go to work. I ain't got nothing else to say. For the hell of it, I'm going to pull one more. Everything I said is in the cards. That's what I told y'all. I don't need no cards. Queen Shar is a walking deck. I feel alone in the dark. Where's my light? The light is with you. You are their light. You're their sanity. But they kept so many secrets from you. So when they start divulging all this information, which they probably never will, it would shock the hell out of you. Some of y'all intuitive like me, you already know. But you know, you won't let them come and tell you. But anyway, y'all, let me take my little knock knees on to work. Let me see if I heard. So I heard Scrapple. Who in here is making Scrapple for breakfast this morning? Let me tell y'all a little joke. I used to tear some Scrapple up when I was a little girl. My mother used to cornmeal it. She would slice it, and she would flour it with cornmeal. Did I say flour it? You know what I mean. She would put cornmeal on it and fry it hard, and she would have me stand in the kitchen and watch it while it was cooking. Baby, by the time that Scrapple finished, it was half of what we started with. I loved some Scrapple until one day I read the ingredients, and the first thing I remember seeing is snouts and hooves, hooves, and snouts and knuckles. I said, damn, that's why it tastes so good. Yeah, them hooves and snouts with some eggs. What you talking about? Y'all teenagers don't know nothing about grits and eggs and Scrapple and toast for breakfast. And please don't have some jelly on your toast. Don't play with me this morning. I love you all so much. I haven't read my comments. I see a bunch of them came across my phone. I'll do that when I get to work. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. I heard the last name Graham. There's a Libra here. There's definitely an air sign. There's a earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Pisces, Sagittarius. Actually, all the signs are here. Aries. Wow. Scorpio, November. The Scorpio's in November. Okay, y'all, take care. I don't want to get cut off. I love you all. Take care. Readings are now $50. You get a full 2-3 page reading from Intuitive Queen Shar. Send me email at intuitivequeenshar@gmail.com, and in the subject line, put reading, and I got you. Take care.